Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to link your Gmail account with Telegram, so you can read and manage your emails directly inside the Telegram app. No switching between apps, no missed updates. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to receive, reply, and even mark email as spam, all while chatting on Telegram. It's a fantastic workflow boost, whether you're a busy professional, a student, or just someone who likes to keep life organized. Let's jump right in. First, we need to find the official Gmail bot on Telegram. Make sure you're using Telegram on your desktop. You can do this on mobile too, but desktop makes these setup steps much clearer. Open up Telegram and look for the search bar. Type in @Gmail bot and you should see a bot titled simply Gmail bot pop up. It's important to make sure it's the official bot. Stick to this exact username so you don't get fake or unofficial versions. Once you spot it, go ahead and start a chat with the bot. Clicking Start will bring up a welcome message and basic instructions. Pause for a moment and notice how professional the bot feels. That's a good sign you're in the right place. Now for the next step, we need to authenticate your Gmail account with the bot. This process is kind of like introducing two trustworthy friends and making sure they can freely talk to each other. The bot will guide you. Usually, it'll send a message with a sign in with Google button or a link to log in. Click on that and you'll be redirected to a secure page from Google asking you to enter your credentials. Here's a gentle reminder. Always double-check the URL to make sure you're really signing in via Google, not a suspicious third-party link. Once you enter your details, Google will ask if you're okay with this bot accessing your emails. It'll list out the permissions, such as reading, sending, and managing messages. It's normal to feel a little cautious here, but rest assured, the official bot follows strict privacy guidelines. By granting these permissions, you're letting the bot fetch your emails and allow you to interact with them right inside Telegram. After you approve everything, return to Telegram and the bot will confirm you're successfully linked. This part might take a few moments, so if you don't see new messages instantly, don't worry or feel rushed. Now you're set up to manage your emails directly in Telegram, and honestly, this is where the magic happens. You'll start receiving new emails as Telegram messages, almost as if your inbox is texting you directly. When an email comes in, you'll see the sender, the subject, and a snippet of the message right there. Say you get an invitation or an urgent work note. You can respond by simply replying to the message in Telegram, and the bot will send your reply as an email. It saves time and keeps the workflow tight. If you spot something spammy or unwanted, there's usually an option right within the bot's menu to mark it as spam, just like you would in Gmail. This helps keep your actual inbox tidy and less cluttered. Think of it like managing your mailbox from your living room without needing to go outside, super convenient for those busy or lazy days. So that's how you seamlessly link Gmail and Telegram, unlocking a more efficient way to stay on top of emails without constantly jumping between apps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Got questions or want to share how you're using the Gmail bot? Drop a comment below. I always read and try to reply. And if you want more easy tutorials on tech hacks like this, make sure you subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.